We had an awesome experience with Cooper Roofing. They replaced our roof at our home in East Vancouver in the winter of 2025. The conditions were really cold, but they were able to take advantage of the good weather where there was no rain and quickly remove 4 levels of previous roofing and then replace the roof really promptly. They kept the property clean and safe. We were happy that it was done really promptly. There wasn't a huge disruption to our living environment, and that they kept the property safe due to us having a young child that lives in the home. A specific interaction with the team we wanted to share was that just due to some of the materials, there were some scratches on our pavement, and I think this is just from the work being done, and the team kindly paid for that area of our pavement to be power washed by a third party. They covered the cost of it so that that kind of material that was left on it, or the dust or the dirt, was easily removed. So we really appreciate it, so that we didn't have to do it and that they took care of that for us. We really appreciated the quoting experience that we went through. We felt that it was really comprehensive. They walked us through the cost structure. They compared it to other vendors. It's a significant investment. Our project cost $30,000, so we really appreciated the level of detail and communication and professionalism that they provided with, whereas some of the other companies we worked with, I felt like it was a much kind of smaller cost value project in terms of their professionalism, and Cooper really showed up. We would recommend that they're professional, they're prompt in terms of providing their service. They were consistent and easy to communicate with.